For years now, I learned how. What you thought was the law, 'cause you said so. I let you break into my own mind. What was mine, now I'm stopping you. I put myself up there to trust you, despite all of the things I've been through. I see now the sweet taste suddenly been exchanged for a clean slate. You really got me stuck, then you walked away. While I was in the shock, you would drift astray. For all the things you told me that weren't true. I've got one or two things to tell you. You never had your mind in the place I was. You never stood behind when I fell, because you let me be the one, then you leave me blue. I've got one or two things to tell you. I had no doubt. I see it now. I am better off. Got one or two.
So here we are, Thursday's 30-minute cleaning task with the Organized Mom Method, and today's focus is the kitchen. Now let me just say, our kitchen is a hot mess magnet. It collects everything: mail, school art, snacks that never make it into the pantry, and don't even get me started on the groceries that still do not have a proper home. As much as I try to declutter and create systems, this space somehow regenerates chaos. It's like a sitcom character that just won't quit. But I'm determined to get it under control. My biggest challenge is grocery shopping Allie. She's full of hope. She loves cooking. She picks out ambitious recipes and buys all the ingredients with the best of intentions. Then midweek Allie shows up. She's tired. She's overwhelmed. She's absolutely not interested in turning those ingredients into dinner or doing dishes afterwards. And let's not forget, midweek Allie also hates the clutter that, let's be honest, she helped create. Now, if Get Stuff Done Allie could just show up more consistently, we'd be golden. But she clocks out right around 5 p.m., so we're working with limited hours here. Still, all versions of me are on board to see if this 30-minute focused kitchen clean can actually shift the momentum. I'm really hoping that this method can help make our kitchen feel a little less chaotic and a little more calm. So I'm getting started first with a fridge clean out, because getting rid of anything expired is just an easy place for me to start. Now, I know one of the main things that needs to get done with this project is the freezers. We have an inside freezer here, which I think is kind of useless because it barely fits anything, but I've managed to fill it with everything, but I can't find anything. So the freezers need to be cleaned out. I also have a garage freezer, which was a purchase I made when I was about during COVID, so about 35. And I tell you, I was watching for the delivery truck for days, on pins and needles, like a kid waiting for a birthday present. I loved getting that freezer, but somehow I've also packed that so full, it's hard to find anything. So systems is really going to be a great benefit to me.
inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. So here we go again, with silly arguments that always end up in a fight. But we can still pretend that this will never end. We just make up and let it slide. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. We're never getting it right. We're never getting it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy. Still, I won't say my goodbyes. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces.
Luckily, the fridge clean out did not take me the full 30 minutes, and I was able to give the counter some much needed attention and getting some appliances put away and just tidying up and actually getting it really wiped down the whole thing. I've just kind of been cleaning that one corner I cook in, which is not ideal. So I love having a clear counter, but I have been noticing in like some shows that I watch, how do they style a counter to look messy yet put together all the time? I don't get it, because in my house it just looks messy. I don't get it. Then of course I had to get a load of laundry going, and as you can see, I'm a little behind on laundry, but it'll get there. I'm not too worried about it. We have clean clothes to wear, and really that's the most important thing. So this laundry is gonna have to wait for another day, because I gotta get to work. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. I promise all of the Allies will appreciate it. I will be seeing you soon.